Okay, in the last query that you need to create, you're going to be using both of these tables, both the clients table and the trips table. So it's important for you to understand that the trips table, each trip has a trip ID, and in the clients table, each client has a trip ID. And you have to build a relationship between these two tables when you create your query. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go to Create and Query Design, and I want both tables involved, so I'm just going to choose Clients. I'm going to add that. Trips, I'm going to add that. And I've been working with this, so you'll probably see the relationship between trip ID and trip ID. One is in the clients table, one is in the trip. I'm going to delete this and just show you how to create that relationship yourself. So you just select the trip ID here, and then you just drag over to this trip ID, and now you'll see the relationship between those two created. So when you come down here and you start to build the information that you want to see in that query, what you'll get is, if the trip ID matches, right, from the client to the trip, then you'll actually see the information displayed. So in this one, you're going to put a last name, a first name, and the trip name itself. So when you have your last name, first name, the trip name will appear, will be based on the trip ID that is stored on the client table, and then it'll come over here to this relationship and pull off the trip name.